talking with you about line perspective, 1 and 2 point perspective before this one. Today I'm gonna show you very simple example of atmospheric perspective. What is atmospheric perspective? It's a thickness of the air that staying between you and subject on the back, between your eyes and the subjects on the back on a horizon line would be the air. Um, we believe that air is transparent. It's not true. The air could be heavy and it's very thick. It could be affected by color, by light, reflects the different particles. For example, in a fog or in a smoke, you will see the different particles of air, or in sunset you see the different colors in sunrise or on the middle of the day. Air is very thick when it's lots of water on air and all of that. So right now I show you that as in the front, the subject in the front gonna be darker, and I have my 5 values right there on the side. The darkest dark number 5 values, the lightest light number 1 values, and the subject in the front is always bigger. As bigger it could be, it depends on the size of the subject, of course, but if it's the same subject, it's going to be bigger with lots of details and very, very dark. So I will try my best to get the simple details of my toy on my desk in my studio, just to show you example how does it work, how the subject change when air affected the subject. It's, for example, it's a regular day, not foggy, nothing else, just the distance will affect the subject that I try to show you the example. So the darkest dark number 5, I will cover it with uh, darkness, and then we'll put some details, for example an eye or some details on lines. We will see it on the beak. We will see it very clearly that everything that is going on with my subject, it's gonna be in the front. So see how I looked at my number 5, and I'm pushing on my pencil to get the details and contrast. Now I move to medium value to the subject on the middle, and it's gonna be much lighter, and it's not gonna be that many details on the back, just little bit, enough to show that the subject is the same and what does it have, what does it include in the subject. So I will put some eyes on my little toy. I will put the wings. I'm avoiding to push. I'm avoiding to make a contrast, and then I put a value, medium value, as number 3 value, and it's, of course, it's smaller size than the one that is in the front, and it's much lighter than in the front. Now we are moving to the back on number 2 values, or between number 2 and 1, and so I don't want any details at all. I will take some out because when I was sketching I probably pushed a little bit more than I wanted to, so I will do some details, but I will avoid to make it dark, and I will avoid to make it very pronounced. Now that you probably cannot see, but it's number 5, it's almost no detail, it's just a couple rounds there, couple strokes there, which simplifies that simple without details subject.